Peace, love, and light, queen. It's your girl, Goddess Shanae, back for the brand new video. As you know, this title is about SUYYA Amazon tapings. Y'all, everyone is talking about Amazon taping. It's been trending for quite a while, and I felt like I did my research. I typed in the stories. I'm like, let's get these tapings. Now, there's two brands. I'm gonna talk about SUYYA. On Amazon, there's another company that calls SUYYA. It had SUYYA, only one Y. That's not the same company. And I noticed why, because they were like $13 cheaper. Don't buy from that company, y'all, because that's not the same. It's two Y's and an A, SUYYA. So you don't see SUYYA, that ain't the company. Don't be too cheap now. And this video is not sponsored by the company. They did not pay me. But you know what? It's okay, because they might see this and want to pay me on the next video. But let's get to business. So I ordered 4 boxes of SUYYA Hair. And when I got it from Amazon, it's like the packaging, you know, it's simple. It's nice. It's pink, like a diamond. It's all right. When you get it, I ordered 80 pieces, which is about four boxes, but really it's like 40 pieces, because when you get your tapings, you have to lay one on top of the other. So one on top, one on the bottom. Average on the website, SUYYA, on their recommendation, they did set for volume thick hair 4 to 5 boxes. So I just got 4 boxes because I feel like 5 would be too much for me, and I really did think about it, and I was like, I feel like 4 is a good number, and 4 should be enough for me. Now, the hair on my package says human hair, and I'm going to tell you honest the truth. I ordered the color 2. Color 2 is a dark brown because my hair is dark brown. Before you order the hair, know your hair color, because you need to know if it's going to blend well, if it's going to look natural. The whole point of tape is to look natural, not look crazy like a clown. And then right here, I scanned for, like, you know, you get bundles and it had like different little strands, like green or red, like little synthetic fibers. That's not real hair, human hair. That's like synthetic, fake, budget bundle hair. Don't do that. And when I did it, you know, it's like, it is not shedding, but you know, any hair you will get, it's gonna be a little bit shedding, sis. So don't be upset. But overall, it's silky, like it's bouncy, like I can run my hands through it, no problems. I ordered getting 20 inches. It's for 22 for me. I didn't want 22. I felt like it'd be too long. Because by the time it's laid, it's going to be right here. And that's enough for me. I don't want too of a long. But overall, I feel like it's good quality on a scale of 1 through 10. Like, I give it like a 9, because I had hair that was really silky. This is silky too, but it ain't like silk. It ain't silk, but it's good quality. I feel like I'm gonna have my sister sell it for me. I'm not gonna do it by myself. I seen reason why I seen other YouTubers out there doing their self, and unless you don't have, like, what is it, set up behind you, I ain't doing that. That's too much of a setup. Like, I'm gonna have a friend, just my sister, like, hey, just don't fuck up my shit. Just look at some other videos. I feel that's a lot, having to behind your head and then in the front. That's too much, and my hand gonna get tired. I don't got time for that. Or you can, like, professional stylist to your hair. Now, before you put these tapings in your hair, I highly recommend getting your hair professionally styled. Like, just go get a blowout or get like a silk press by a professional stylist, and then, you know, just go back to the house, section your hair. Like, the main things is to leave enough leave out. I can't stress to when people don't leave enough leave out. Get those edges, sis. Get the back. Don't leave too much hair in the back out, but really leave it in the front. Because when you do like a pony, you're going to want to do like a high sleek pony. You want it to blend it really natural. But tapings can be reused. They did say that. I think about 3 to 4 times it can be reused. They didn't really say. But the only thing you do have to do is, after a couple of times, you know, the tape, you got to change that out. And they're not hard. Like, the tapes are literally on a little sheet. You just lay on the track, tape up, take it out, put it back. Super easy. It's not too hard. And like I said before you do this, you need to know in advance, pre-section your hair. you need to know what kind of look you're going for. Either a high pony, or you want like a little middle part right here. She'll do like a half down. That's the main thing. You need to really know what hairstyle and event for you doing. And I did, you know, recommend, like I said before, having someone help you. Don't do it by yourself, because I feel like that's gonna be more work on you. If you want to do the front on yourself right here after your friend just lay the back, do that. But again, this is really about you. If you want to look like a clown and want to buy 2 boxes of hair or 3 and think it's going to fit or look good, good luck, sis. Cause it won't do that. Like, you really have to buy at least 4 to 5 boxes. And you might even need 4.5 boxes. But I only got 4. I really feel like 4 is going to be enough overall. But stay tuned for more. I am going to have part 2. I'm going to have my hair silk pressed or blow out by my stylist. And I'm going to come back and show you how the hair comes out. Now, this hair will only be in for 2 weeks, only because my hair is super sensitive. Like, even as a child, my hair is like natural soft, so no matter the time frame, after like 3 weeks, my hair tends to lock in with the hair. And I know it's not like that, but I just feel like for my safety, for my hair, and just I'd rather just keep it in for like 2 weeks and then go back to my blowouts and then try again after that. But if you have any questions, post them on my comment. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Journey. It's down below, sis. And let me know how your experience with SUYYA Hair works. And if you recommend other brands' hair, let me know. I'm all willing to try no matter what. Just don't think it costly, sis. But overall, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay golden queen. Love yourself.